Hello and welcome. Today we'll be looking at how we are going to insert an image into a shape. So in so doing, let's begin. Step 1, we bring in a shape to overlay this default background. So overlay it. After overlaying this, let's pick a color for it so that we could see what we are working on. So let's pick this color. You can change it later. Then next thing, we bring in the shape we want to insert the image in. So we resize the shape to what we want. So then let's center every image. Let's move it to the center position. Move it to the vertical position, center. So the center. Then let's merge the two images together. Merge. Yes. Objects are meshed. After merging, we'll lock them in position so that we have that there. Then next thing, we're going to erase this white color. So we go to erase color. We enable it. You see? We have just erased that color. So next thing, we are going to bring in our image. We are bringing in our image. So I'll be using this baby. So make it big. See? So when we have this, I'll copy this image so that I can have the original image. Copy it, I keep it at one side. So this previous image, we move it to the back. Let's position it. So we move it to the back. See? Then the one we copied, we now move it on it. So you see, we have that superimposed on the previous one. So what do we do now? You go to your masking tool. You see, you ensure you cut off where the leg is so that the other body will be at the behind. Then you enable mask. You see now the baby is inside that image. So now for us to have a background at behind, let's pick a background. Let me pick a background for the back. Let's just put white so that you see it. You see the behind color. You see color behind. You can use black. You can use this. You can use that. I think I love that color. You can use white. So you see, we have that. So by so doing, we have been able to easily do this. So for us to be able to look into this, we can just easily select these two images together and move them. If we want to move them. You see, we have the move tool. We can easily move them if we want to move them. By moving, you see, we can move it. You see, the two are moving together to any position we want. We want to move it up. You see, I've done that. So that's what you get. Then we lock our images together. So you see, we have just done this manipulation. So it's very simple. Then we'll save. Remember, you are saving your image. You save as Ultra. You save to gallery. It's simple as ABC.